Hi, in this video, I'll show you how to create a bus in Cadence OrCAD Capture. I'm using Cadence OrCAD X Professional Plus, and it's pretty much Capture here. So how do you make a bus? Well, what a bus is it's a collection of wires that you can put into like this, this collection that says, oh, we have bits 0 through 7. So this is an 8-bit bus that's really carrying 8 wires in that. So it's like 8 of these things, okay? What you can do is place a bus by going with B, right? And I'm going to zoom out with O. And you start placing the bus to wherever you need to place it. And then end wire. Okay, end wire. There we go. So I'm going to select this part of the bus, get rid of that, get rid of that. Now, let's say you have multiple wires you need to add into the bus. You want to go ahead and choose a wire. Then I'm going to zoom in with my right mouse button. Now, you may think that you would do this, right? You think you might do that to place your wires, but that's not the case. That's not the proper way to put your wires into a bus together. What you need to do is move these back a little bit, and then you need a bus entry. So we're going to go place and do bus entry, or E for short. Now you can place your bus entry in here, and those insert themselves into the bus. Next, we have the nets. Let's say these are data nets. We're going to place a net alias, and this will be, say, I don't know, DK0, right? DK0, DK1, DK2, DK3. So we have a 4-bit bus, and then this is all fine and good, right? Well, there's one more thing we have to do. This net name is by default this N1537 thing. We don't want that. We want a standard bus name that will give us useful information. So we're going to do something similar to this. See how it says VD 7-0? We're going to scroll down, hit N on the keyboard as in Nancy for the net alias. Then we're going to follow this format. So you go DK, open bracket. Okay, so this is a bracket, whereas this is a parenthesis. But we don't want parentheses, we want brackets. Okay, that's above, that's to the right of your P key on the US keyboard. Okay, and not braces either. Braces are something else. I've seen people do braces. I don't know what the brace. Oh, the braces are shift bracket, right? We don't want the curly braces. We want brackets. Okay. Once you do that, you can set the order for your, most significant bit, hyphen, or well, dash really, which is to the right of your 0 key on a US keyboard, and then your least significant bit, which is 0 in this case. And that is your, and when you go ahead and place that, and that's your net. So if you go here, it'll show that. If you add more wires and bus entries to this thing, which is going to be a little tricky, but you do that. You can copy and do a paste. Then you have to update, modify these accordingly. There are other ways you can do this. You could do a ... There you go. And then that's your bus name, right? So there's a couple of ways you can make a bus in Cadence OrCAD Capture.